So hi guys, this is Serean and I, so come back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to draw again for you guys. But it has a limitation. Actually, in the middle of this video I just run out of my markers, and you know, I can't give you black and white sketches. In this video I'm going to paint 2 sketches and hope that you're gonna like it. So without wasting time, let's start the video.
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, yeah. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, yeah. And I know when that all I think, that can only mean one thing. I know when that all I think, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you, city, you. Left the city, call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you midnight, love. And I know when that all I think, that can only mean one thing.
A big storm is on our way. So the first sketch is done, and it was for my friend Just Smith. He's my friend from my old school, and he told me that he liked a wild style piece, so I tried my best to make a very beautiful wild style that I'm capable to. By the way, I usually don't draw wild style. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below to their account and go and follow them, because and if you're watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe me and let me hit 200 plus subscribers within May. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just